Hey guys, Rusty here, Ugly HP. So we have the 85 Blazer finally on the rack. It's gone on a year since we've done anything with it, which we haven't done anything with it, we just parked it. So we're gonna get started. Kind of doing a small assessment underneath. Not bad at all. So we're just gonna start in the back. And with that, we are going to take and drop out this fuel tank. These came with a steel tank. So I'm going to drop it out and see if we're going to replace it or if it doesn't need to be replaced. So it just depends on what it looks like on the inside. So let me get this out of here and we'll open it up and see where we're at and see how much money we'll be spending on a tank and pump. So I'll check back in. Alright guys, let's see. Oh, I don't know if I'm upside down or right side up. I think I'm good. Yep, it's got to be this way. No, is it? Alright, so anyways, this is what we got. That thing is super rusted, super nasty. I've seen that before. Oh, if y'all can see. So we're gonna get a new gas tank, new sending unit. This has a mechanical pump, so this right here is just the piece that goes in the tank. Luckily I can get all this stuff for less than 300, so we're gonna get that stuff ordered. Everything under here looks pretty damn good, so we're gonna figure out a way to clean some of this surface rust up, replace all the hoses. So I'll check back with y'all when we get the new parts in. See you guys.